In this video, we will discuss the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources. Natural resources are essential for our economy. They are the gifts of nature that we use every day, from water and forests to minerals and air. Renewable resources can be replenished over time, meaning they do not run out if used wisely. Non-renewable resources, on the other hand, take millions of years to form and cannot be replaced once they are used up. Examples of renewable resources include trees, water, and wind. These resources are replenished by the environment and can be used continuously if managed responsibly. Non-renewable resources such as coal, oil, and gold take millions of years to form. Once they are extracted and used, they cannot be replaced, making their supply limited. This is why it is important to use them wisely. Conserving natural resources is essential for future generations. By using renewable energy sources, recycling materials, and reducing waste, we can ensure that resources are available for years to come. Let's work together to protect our planet.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.